Hey guys, I'm Jai from Aster.com again. I went into Apple Store this afternoon to check a new iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. And when I was checking iPhone 7, I thought I wanted to do a sound test on iPhone 7 versus iPhone 6s. So I use 6s at the moment. So the one with the cover on here is 6s. So I will let you listen to it, and I'll see what you think of it. So hope you have listened to it, right? So if you listen to it carefully, iPhone 7 sounds better. There is no doubt about it. It is a little bit better, but it's not by miles difference. It is a stereo speaker. Yes, it has two speakers now. The sound comes off with from earpiece as well, which is really good. And with all the noise around, I'm not sure if you can notice it in the video, but in real time, in live action, I did notice iPhone 7 is much better in terms of sound. So it's not like Sennheiser versus Beats, but it is a little better. Yeah, thank you.